Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. Really good about yourself and you will attract more people, circumstances, and events that will make you feel good. If you can't find gratitude for what you have now, you will never find it. Always trust your first gut restriction. If you feel something's wrong, it usually is. If you can't stop thinking about it, it's probably what's going better. The best approach is change behavior. The people in your life should be a source of reducing stress, not causing more of it. Stop overthinking. You cannot control everything, just let it be. People who feel the need to control others don't have control over themselves. Do not become small for people who refuse to grow. The sign of a beautiful person is that they always see beauty in others. You become what you think, so think positively.